If you are a manager who uses the reporting functions within SugarCRM to share dashboards with your team, you may have encountered an issue where the filter settings prevent others from seeing the data in a dashlet. To fix this issue, head to the Filters module within your SugarCRM instance by navigating to your address bar and clearing the website address from the hashtag onwards. Then, directly after the hash, type in filters with a capitalized F. This will take you to the Filters module with all of your settings and dashlets that contain filters in the item list. From here, you should see the option for the dashlet that is not showing correctly on your dashboard. Click into the item, which will only have a few fields, and click onto Teams to edit the field. Hit the plus button to add a team, and then search for the people or team that you need to be able to see the dashboard data. Once added, save this filter, and after your team refreshes, they should now have access to the data previously locked behind a filter.